the grout down and everything. I'm about to soap and wash the patio so then I can put the sealant on top and everything, and hopefully get rid of the grass line that is touching the patio and everything as well. But who knows? We'll figure it out as we go. I feel like whatever company ended up doing the patio did not do it right, and I'm actually quite upset about that because I feel like I'm fixing a lot. They never put the bracket that's supposed to hold it in place in, and like all of this dirt, I've had to literally rip grass up off of the patio when that shouldn't be the case at all. Like all of this is me ripping the line through like it's supposed to be and how it was supposed to be originally, and it's actually disgusting. And then since I'm still working on that patch growing back and everything, I've just been kind of throwing it over here in hopes that the roots I've ripped up are salvageable and will hopefully be able to help me grow the grass over here, honestly. I have dirt all over my face and body and hands and everything from cleaning off this stupid patio and getting all of the grass out of the cracks and everything, but I think it finally looks okay-ish, because now the grass is not growing into the patio, thank goodness. And now I can soap and water it, I guess. I'm just all over annoyed. It's fine. Okay. And then I have this cool thing, which is supposed to help scrub everything. It's kind of nice. This is a lot of work. This is too much work that I am currently doing for this patio. Okay, so it is like almost 10 o'clock at night, and I finally got it all done and sanded down, so the joints are all in there. Hopefully tomorrow morning I will have time to finally seal everything up. That way I can at least get everything put away properly for now, and then hopefully paint it sometime soon. And then I sanded it down so that all the joints are flat with everything. And yeah, so far the patio is for the most part done. I just gotta clean it up and then we're good to go.